Installing WebVT and updating your TPMS tool is a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few steps. If you already have WebVT installed, skip to this time in the video. If you do not already have WebVT installed, visit atech-tpms.com. Then, click the Support tab at the top of the screen. On the left-hand side of the support page, you will see a link to download WebVT. Alternatively, there is a link in the video description with the download. Click the link to start the download. Depending on the browser you're using, you will be able to choose the location to save the file to, or in some cases, the file will be automatically saved to the Downloads folder on your computer. Locate the file in your computer and double-click it. Double-click the webvt.exe file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install WebVT and ensure to follow the USB driver's installation instructions once WebVT is finished. Once the installation is complete, double-click the WebVT icon located on your desktop. Once WebVT is open, turn on your tool and plug it into your PC with the USB cable. If this is your first time updating your tool, you will be prompted to enter your registration information. Once complete, press OK. Now, click Full Update and click Yes when you are ready to update your tool. The tool will begin updating, and after a few minutes, your tool will be up to date. If you have any issues installing WebVT or updating your tool, please contact technical support at 888-621-8767 or send an email to help@supporttpms.com.